Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to clean the machine. As you see, this full one, and the machine is still dripping some water here on some cappuccino. The reason why, because if you take this one out, you see, so sticky, and if you look inside, so this one. So all these need to be cleaned, and also this one and this one. This is the extractor, so these things must be cleaned always, and when it gets dirty. So always we must keep this part, this clean, and the pipes clean, and especially this area, and this area. So how to clean that? You're gonna take one by one and put them in a bath so you can take them and start washing them. So this is the second, and also here you're gonna take the nozzle. As you see, it's blocked, so this one need to be washed. So I'm putting all the things here. So this, you push up a little bit and then you take it out. You see how dirty, need to be cleaned. And especially this one, as you see, it's fully clogged and blocked. This thing need to be washed, and then also we check if this one is dirty. We clean it, we twist, and then we pull. Yeah, needs a little bit. Then you're just gonna pull back, as you see, and you take it out and you wash it. So now everything is done, has been taken out. The same thing we do with this. See, the dirt is blocking actually. Same thing. So same thing, we're gonna take all of them. As you see, these things must be cleaned always. The same thing, as you see, this one too need to be washed. I just pull and it comes out. So we take everything out and then we wash it. This thing, all the nozzles, so now this, and also we take this one with us, but the machine must be turned off, as you see. So this take out, see, so this thing, remove it, and then you put everything here, and then you go wash it, all of it, and then you install it back. So after we took all the parts from here, here, and here, so we do a quick wipe and cleaning this area, and also on the floor. And also we need to clean this. As you see, this is where the coffee cup comes. So how to clean it? You're gonna just twist this one like this and then take it. Before you do that, you need to unhook the pipe, and as you see, you take it out, and if you look, there's a lot of dirt on it. It needs to be cleaned, and then once it's cleaned, we're gonna put it back in here. So that's the point. Okay, now time to put everything back. So if you look, 1, 2, 3. If you look at the length, these ones, one of them is the longest one. So the longest one, we put it toward, show here, toward the last one, and then you put it in this way. As you see here. So here the second one too. You put it this way, the shortest one. You put it the first one, and then you slide in. Once you put it, you just slide in, and then you push. Push all the way. See? Done. The second one here, the longest one, we put it okay, and then the last one you put in like this way, and then you twist. As you see, very easy. So these ones now are done. So how to remove them this way and to tie them this way. Okay. Now we start putting these ones. So you're gonna put in here first and then down. So this is done. And then the second part, you put it this way and this way. It's done. Same thing. Go in this way and push up, then push down. Same thing. Done. Done. We do the other part. So this is done now. Now we're gonna install the nozzles. So there is a way how to install these ones. So this one, because you need it to be pointing here. So this one goes here. As you see, if you put this one, the same thing is pointing there. Same one thing, this one is pointing there, but I don't need to put it here. I can put it on a single one. Now you see this one pointing there, so I put this one pointing here. As you see, and then the last one, and then the covers. This one, the white one, comes here. And then the small ones, like this. And this one like this too. And this one I just installed it back, it's clean. How to install it this way. See the pipe? So you put the pipe in first, and then you bring this one here. That's it. Then you put this one here. So now everything is clean. and then also you put back just a quick wipe. And then this one. And that's it. Everything is cleaned.